We've got water dripping out through the slab just underneath the shower. Before carrying out any repair work, we get the drain camera into the main stack and test the outlets of all the points in the bathroom to establish the exact connection points of each connection to the main stack pipe. And then investigating the shower trap, we find a loose washer, which we remove before prepping the drain for the lining work. We dry the drain out, get all the connections ready before sanding down the drain to make it nice and rough for the epoxy application. High pressure hose. We're ready for the lining work, so to connect everything up, get the epoxy into the delivery system and then pressurize. Blow the epoxy through the pipe, make sure we get a huge amount of air through to distribute the epoxy through the pipe and make sure that the line stays nice and open, finishing off with a paintbrush to clean the edges up.